this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. From the title, you already know that today's video is going to be yet another very simple makeup look. Now, this look can be worn to college, to office, or anytime you don't want to look too made up, if you know what I mean. And I'm going to be creating this look only using 3 products, and I'm going to make sure that all of them are very affordable, because I mentioned that this can be a go-to makeup look, especially for college students. So I'm going to keep it very easy on the pocket. So without any further delay, let's just get right into the video. So first off, I'm just going to get my hair aside. I'm just going to put these clips up so that hair doesn't come in the way. Okay, now we're done. So I'm going to be starting off with hydrating my face. I'm using this facial toner from Forest Essentials. This is basically rose water. So just gonna hydrate my face a little so that whatever I apply stays in, well, and doesn't look very cakey or very dry. So hydration is super important, and that is what I exactly did. Next, I'm going to be moving on to BB cream. Now, the main reason why I believe BB cream works is that it gives you an even skin tone. If your BB cream has SPF in it, then it's a bonus. So I'm going to be using this Garnier BB cream. So this is basically daily all-in-one moisturizer, and it also has an SPF of 24. And if you use like foundation or concealer, it might actually be seen, right? So if you don't want that kind of look, then you can definitely prefer a BB cream. So I'm just gonna dot it a little on my face. And just massage it in. Don't forget your under eyes. I don't know if you can tell, but I certainly feel like it's made my skin look a lot even. So yeah, that is the main reason why I would prefer a BB cream if I want to go for a simple makeup any day. Now that you're done with the face, let's move on to our eyes. Now, I am a big fan of curling my eyelashes because I feel like it makes you look more awake. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Can you see the difference? Okay. Now we can go ahead with mascara, even though this is an optional step. But if you want to look more groomed and if you want to look more fresh, then I think mascara can do the trick for you. So I'm using this one from Maybelline. This is the Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. This one's very affordable, and it does not make your lashes look too artificial. So if you are somebody who goes to college, or if you want like a very simple look, then you can definitely go for this one. There you go, we are done. Now you can use the same mascara to make your eyebrows as well. So I'm just gonna bring it up lightly. And it kind of makes like a lot of difference. And and our eyes are all done. Now let's move on to our lips and cheeks. Now I totally understand that it might look too made up if you wear like a bright poppy lipstick to college. So I would any day suggest you guys go for a tinted lip balm. Now the one that I'm going to be using is from Lakme. This is the Lakme Lip Love in the variant Cherry. It's got like a very beautiful pink tint. So I'm just gonna wear this on my lips. There you go. That is it. It's just got like the perfect tint. Does not look too poppy, does not look too bright, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Another way in which you can use your lip balm is as a cheek tint. Now if you use a lip gloss, it might have a very sticky feel, and you know, your skin might start to feel too sticky, and that might not be a really good situation. So you can any day use your lip balm as your cheek tint. If you know me, then you already know that I am a big fan of pink cheeks, and I kind of feel like it makes you look a lot fresh. So that is the reason why I love, you know, wearing cheek tint all the time. And I absolutely feel a tinted lip balm can do the trick for you. So yeah, that is it. We are all done. If you feel like you are looking too oily, then you can just, you know, put some loose powder. And that is the look for you guys. I'm using this facial toner from Laksh, and also if BB awake, and that is exactly because I feel like it make because I feel like because look too. That marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for a lot of fun content. I will see you super soon in my next one. Until then, bye.